Yeah, so let's say I have sum of sales for my cities here, and among those cities, I just want to see the top 10 cities. Okay, so the usual way of doing it would be uh, getting the city and sum of sales in your rows and column shelf, and then filtering it out based on the city and using a top 10 filter. Okay, so let us just quickly do that first. So I have my city in my columns, then I have my sum of sales in the rows. Okay, and let's say, let me just sort it out once. Okay, let me just put on the text. Uh, so let's say I want the cities now, and I want to use the top 10 one. And in this, I just want, let's say instead of top 10, okay, let us take the top 10 first. And as you can see, I have the top 10 cities here. Okay, so this is one part. So this is something that we have seen till now. Okay, but let's say instead of top 10, now I want to see top 5. Okay, so again, I have to go back into this particular filter shelf, open this up. Okay, go to the top condition. Let's say if I want to see top 15 now, or let's say top 5. So I have to manually enter, then apply, then okay, then I get the top 5 cities. So this is one limitation to the filtering here. Okay, so parameters are something that let us solve this particular problem of providing the dynamism to the visualization. Okay, I'll repeat myself. It provides dynamism to the visualization. Okay, so how to do that? So in order to create a parameter now, I'll click on the same small down arrow and I'll click on create parameter. As you can see now in here, it is giving me certain conditions here. So data type, again, I would recommend here, don't touch the default values until unless you are very specific or very clear about what you want into a particular visualization. Okay, so as we know, these values would be like top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm letting it to be float variable here, and the current value that I want, let's say I want to see top 10 currently. That is something I'll put here as 10, and value when workbook opens, again I want this current value. And display format, this is for the editing part, formatting part. So this is something that you can let it remain the same, and allows value all. Okay, so now you can click on OK and your parameter will be created. Okay, now as you can see, your parameter is created. So again, I just click on this down arrow, click on show parameter. As you can see, 10. And if I, let's say, make it 30, nothing is happening till now. Okay, and also I can, if I want, I can, okay, let it be this way for now. Yeah, so I have this 30 value, nothing is happening. Even if I change it to 10, nothing is happening. Okay, so how to, the final part is to connect this parameter to this particular city filter. How to do that? Again, go back to the city filter, click on edit filter, go back to the top condition. Instead of 5 now, select this parameter 2 here. Okay, as soon as you select the parameter 2 here, now you can see as soon as I click on OK, this will change to 10 of the cities. It will give me for the top 10 cities. Okay, so now I have the values for top 10 cities. Uh, let's say I want to see for top 20. I can see for top 20 as well. Let's say if I want to see top 3, I can see for top 3 as well. All I need to do is just type in here. Okay, so this way we are providing the dynamism to our visualization. Okay, earlier every time we have to, let's say, see this particular thing, we have to go to the city, then edit this particular filter, then go to the top condition, and then select value here. But now by connecting to this particular parameter here, we can just simply type in our values. Okay, so this way parameter solves the problem of staticness here. Okay, staticness of the visualization and provides dynamism. So again, this happens this way. Let's say if I'm using the same parameter on 10 different sheets, then it will be applied to all those 10 sheets. Okay. So wherever I used it in the workbook, it will be applied there. So in this way, our parameters are workbook specific, whereas our filters are worksheet specific. Okay, just remember this thing. This is again an important question if you are planning for uh, the certification or if you are planning for an interview. This is a very important question that is asked there. Firstly, parameters are there to provide dynamism. Secondly, parameters are workbook specific. And let's say instead of this city, okay, let's say in this city, uh, I had a country. Okay, let me just put in country. Let's say if I'm using the top 10 here as well. So instead of this top 10, if I select parameter 1 here and click on OK, now you can see I have the top 5 values here as well. Okay. In here, I have for top 5 cities, and in here I have for top 5 countries. Okay, so wherever I've used this particular parameter, it will change accordingly.